I was busy thinking about boys, girls like you.
Alright, so here are the products I use. Bleach powder, 40 volume developer, and this Revlon color silk color in golden blonde. Alright, so these are the sections I have. I have 4 sections, the 2 front pieces, the crown, and then the back perimeter. That whole ponytail that you're seeing is not going to be colored at all. So yeah, I started out by weaving in and out of the hair, and then I'm going to apply the bleach mixture to that section pretty generously. Right, this is my first time bleaching hair, so I was just experimenting. I was trying all sorts of different techniques that I saw. It was just a whole hot mess, but you guys are gonna see the results in the end. So yeah, just painted it on, kind of got it all over and combed it. Then I took this one section, right? So listen to my thought process. I was taking these individual sections and I was going to wrap them in foil because I wanted to get a lighter blonde. I mean, I was just trying something. It didn't really work, but it worked nonetheless. So yeah, I'm just going to repeat the same step I did on the other side. So yeah, as I was saying, after I bleached my hair, I basically applied the box color on it, and you're going to see the color further down in the video that I achieved. But it's pretty simple, I'm not gonna lie. I focused the color on those back areas because I knew I wanted to wear the hair curled, so I just wanted the color to really be showing. So now I'm doing my little streaks in the front, and again I used foil because I was trying to get it really blonde, but it didn't really work out like that. But whatever, trial and error. So yeah, the same weaving technique at the front. I did this to the other section at the front, and then after that I kind of just went ahead and started just grabbing random pieces and just bleaching it, doing like streaks and stuff. I was just doing a whole bunch of God knows what. It was really and truly an experiment. That's all I can say. But yeah, this whole process took me about like 35 minutes to bleach the whole week, and then I left the bleach on for I think like 25 minutes. But yeah, so this is like another example of me just doing something I saw. They like back combed it, so I did that. I don't know what it did, but I was just trying. So yeah, I just took a cloth, wiped off the bleach from the part because I didn't want it to bleach, and yeah, that's how my hair basically looked after. Alright, so hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So I'm back to show you guys the finished results of my coloring tutorial. So I've had this wig thrown down in my room, so it's not the best, but this is basically how the colors came out. I'm gonna try it on, but yeah, basically my patch in the front, and I have all the highlights throughout the back and stuff. And then this is like what the back of the head looks like, and then the bottom section where I didn't put any color. I didn't achieve the blonde that I really wanted to, but this color was good enough, and I really and truly I just can't complain, right? Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and switch my wig out to show you guys what it looks like. Alright, so don't judge my cap. I don't have a mirror. I broke my mirror, so kind of just using my viewfinder. So this is basically what the wig looks like, the inside construction, and I love these huge bands for my wigs. Trust me, try them, they're a game changer. They're so much more comfortable. So let's stick the band. I'm wearing Beauty Forever's Brazilian body wig in inches 16, 14, 12, and a 10-inch closure, I believe. And this is just what it looks like. It is so nice. Like, I'm sweating a bit, but yeah, this hair has been curled for over a week. Okay, I'm recording this on a Tuesday, and I curled it not the Saturday that just passed, and the previous Saturday, so it has been curled for a week. Don't mind the edges, okay? This is what the curls look like. So you can see I have a lot of sorry. So I have a lot of the color that comes out from the underneath, and that's why I kind of colored down there, because I wanted it to show when it curls. And got my two little highlight streaks in the front, and yeah, I have nothing bad to say about the hair. I color the hair and it's super soft. Like, I'm running my fingers through it. It holds a curl like a dream. Like, people hype up beauty forever hair, and now I understand why. Like, I can't wait to try some more beauty forever hair. Like, this shit is bomb. Okay, I need to stop showing my like ugly edges that I've laid on. But yeah, ooh, this is good. Yeah, so that's all I really have to say about the hair. It isn't shedding, it isn't tangling. Like, I can run my fingers through it, and I bleached it. It's holding a curl. Like, I don't know if you can know how important it is for hair to hold a curl, but it holds a curl. So I'm really super excited about that. But yeah, pretty much that's all I have to say. I hope you guys will go out and try some beauty forever hair. It is amazing, sister. Get you some beauty forever bundles. I promise you, you won't regret it. But yeah, as usual, I had tons of fun filming this video, and until next time, bye guys.